أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على خاتم النبيين لا نبي بعده السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Right Honorable John Brady, MP Scotland, I would say, MP Glasgow as well. So, Muslim Council of Scotland has a responsibility to convey your message to the parliamentarians. We've been doing this duty for nearly 16 years now, and we have a democratic way of elections as well as you and your mosque is a member and you vote for the person who can lead this organization. I would like to thank for your support for Muslim Council of Scotland. I think being a doctor, I was very keen to tell you about the benefits of fasting for your health. But in the presence of Member of Parliament, I'm just going towards more of political area. I hope you won't mind it. I can tell you about the benefits of health later on whenever you want to. But I will just tell you one thing clearly, that for the last 30 years, my bed size is still 34 inches because after 11 months of unhealthy eating, 1 month of careful eating and prescribed way of eating keeps me healthy and keeps my belly down. About 4 weeks ago when I went to buy a trouser, I was worried. It's gone to 35. Oh my God, 1 inch above, and I'm more prone to have a heart problem, stroke, high blood pressure, diabetes, being Asian in Scotland. So I need to be very careful on that. But luckily, Ramadan started, I'm back to 34 again, which is loose now anyway. Maybe tighten up after when we open the iftar, inshallah. In the presence of politician, Right Honorable MP John Brady is here, and I know my MP from South Side has spoken about Islamophobia this week in the British Parliament and in Scottish Parliament. Muslim Council of Scotland requested a question from Faisal Chaudhry to ask the First Minister when the government is going to accept the definition of Islamophobia as it has been agreed 2018. So it is 7 years gone till you and me, we are bullied in the streets, in our shops, and our ladies are not confident to go out because they have a fear being bullied, harassed, attacked in the streets of Scotland or United Kingdom. I will request my friend, Right Honorable John Brady, please ask this question to the Prime Minister in the Parliament. Do you agree with me? Yes. So this is, sorry, we did not call you here for this purpose, but I'm taking just advantage of being here. So I'm asking this only because only in the last 2-3 weeks, one serious incident was going to happen in Greenock, in our Islamic Center in Greenock. I thank Police Scotland to take preventive measures and save that community being attacked from a perpetrator who was arrested before the attack happened, and now he is charged, which is very good action from our Police Scotland. Same thing started in Kirkcaldy, where a person was putting up posters on the streets against the Muslims, but police arrested him and he is being charged under a hate crime law recently introduced in Scotland. That is because of the work we did with our politicians. When I say we did, mean Muslim Council of Scotland with the politicians, and hate crime bill was passed. And now we have a law in Scotland where hate crime is registered and seriously taken by our police, and anybody who will create any hate within the society will be charged under this law. Third incident happened yesterday in Aberdeen. The case has been reported to the police and is being investigated. I have taken a lot of time, but this was very important for you to know that you are protected in the streets of Scotland because the work of a politician, our police and Muslim Council of Scotland are doing together. And I will request the British government as well to work with Muslim communities so that the streets of Britain can be made safer as well. Jazakumullah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.